What up, everybody on YouTube? Back at it again with another video. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like my videos and watch the content. Also, that being said, I am super happy, and you're probably thinking like, why is this guy so happy, right? That's because I got into a motorcycle crash about 4 to 5 weeks ago on the ZX, and I'm gonna be rebuilding it and maybe selling both the bikes eventually and putting all the money into the car and maybe buying a bike in a couple years. But that being said, I'm super happy because I had a boot on my foot and I broke my foot. So I just got that taken off, and I'm super happy that I can actually like walk around, do some more videos. And that being said, in this video I have the Catback exhaust system from my 2015 FRS. It's the Comp RS Catback, and this is what it looks like, guys. Alright YouTube, you heard it. You heard the exhaust from the outside. It sounds pretty good, I think. Drop in the comments what you guys think. Now I'm going to go inside the vehicle, do a couple highway clips of it, going from 6th to 5th, droning a little bit. It sounds pretty good, and that's why I recently added this to my car. Let me pop the trunk real quick for you guys and show you exactly what I'm running under here. This is my little friend DS18's 10-inch subs. When you're on the highway, you can't hear your radio. And that's why I recently installed these, because you can't hear nothing with this exhaust when you're on the highway. I mean, sometimes it's quiet, depends on what RPM you're at, but when you drop from 6th to 5th and 4th and go into a stop or something, it is droning so bad that you can't hear nothing. Like my girlfriend over here in the car one day, she's like, I can't hear you. I mean, I can't help it. I mean, speak up, I guess. I don't know. That being said, the exhaust is really good for its price. It's $600 or $650, 600 or 550, I think. Yeah, 550 for not the color tips, but they're still titanium, but $650 for the titanium tips. It's all titanium, Catback, Comp RS, and shipping costs about $30, but it was here within 2 days, and I got it from the FT86speedfactory.com, and they have really good deals. I go to them for literally everything. That being said, you're probably wondering, why don't I have my side blinkers on no more? That's because this side completely fell off when I was going down the highway, and it ripped the whole wire down to my fog light. And my fog lights aren't on right now, but when I had those lights installed, I was trying to figure out why. Okay, why aren't my fog lights working now? All right, well, I'll have to figure that out. That's really strange, guys. Very strange. Okay. So a little bit of work what I gotta do when I get home. But one fell off, so I took the other side off, put these factory ones back on. I got some new ones coming from FT86 Speed Factory. I'm actually doing a little bit of different something. It's black, but I'm not gonna tell you what it looks like. Got the rims, I just need the tires, I need the coilovers. I just got off my broken foot, so no more boots, so that means I can make videos for y'all, and I can actually start getting some things done to this car. And a lot of people are wondering, when are the rims getting on? Well, the rims are gonna be on as soon as I get the money back from work, because I spent almost all my money just paying this car off, almost, just because I've been out of work and I just wanted to make sure all my payments were caught up. So I just started paying payments. Probably didn't have to, but I did. And all my bills, I just paid all my bills and everything, so I didn't have much money to put into the car or order any parts. So I ordered what I could for now, and now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the vehicle and show you guys exactly what it sounds like from the inside. I got the LED lights underneath there, got the Katana sword. I want to do a radio. I got the carbon fiber trim pieces here and there, but the car doesn't sound too bad. Yeah, it doesn't sound too bad from the inside. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the GoPro over there and get some clips of me driving the vehicle. Alright guys, I'm back. Everybody knows that this is a manual. It's not one of those automatic shifter pedal things, whatever. I don't like those at all. I feel like if you're gonna get a sports car, you need to get a manual. That's how I feel. I got the mic attached. Hopefully the mic is working really well. I would not know until I go back to edit these videos. So that being said, I'm hoping that it is working really well. You guys can hear the car, you can hear me pretty well. This is the first time I've actually talked inside my car as I was driving somewhere. So really I don't have the music playing, I'm focused on the road, 2 hands on the wheel. So I think I will be fine. For some of those people out there that probably are like, don't do this, don't do that. I mean, I can do what I want to do really, as long as I'm safe. And I feel like I'm very safe right now with both hands on my wheel, and I am paying attention to the road. That being said, you guys can hear the little droning. Push it up a little bit. We're about to go around a roundabout though. But it drones a little bit. I turned the radio off obviously so you guys can hear the car. Like mic here. Pretty hard right now. Doesn't have much around the highway, but it definitely does on the back roads. You probably see this ugly wire. I'm sorry guys, I have never done it inside of a vehicle video, so you're just gonna have to bear with me. I'm trying to find the best spots for the mic. Next time I'm gonna put one to my shirt so you guys can hear me pretty well. Sorry about that. So we're almost at the car wash. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out this video right here, and hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys like the exhaust clips. So that being said, I'm out. It's Eric Klein.